Good morning everyone. After meeting you after exam PT3. So I am starting on our new chapter number 8, that is comparing quantities. Now in this chapter, first part or first exercise is related with the recap of concept related to ratio. You have studied in class 7th also. How to find ratio, how to convert ratio to percentage and percentage to ratio. So it is just an recall. So I will just refresh your concept related to it and go and further proceed to solve exercise 8.1. Now ratios and percentage. Why you need ratios? Whenever you compare two things, suppose there is class of 20 students. 15 are boys and 5 are girls. I want to compare from the whole, out of the whole strength of the class, 15 are boys and 5 are girls. So I want to compare, so how I will compare number of boys divided by number of girls. So that is 15 by 5. Right? Now if you want to, if it is reducible to lowest terms, you can reduce it. So ये 3 by 1 आ जाएगा. Now by, whenever it is, now it is a fraction, numerator and denominator. Now this divided sign will get converted into ratio, that is 3:1. Right? So this symbol is 2. Is called as ratio. So what is the number of boys to number of girls? What is the ratio? If anybody asks you, that is 3:1. Right? So that is the ratio and it is given in the simplest form. So whenever you want to compare any two things out of the total, then we use the concept of ratio. And how we are converting fraction into ratio? Numerator you will keep as it is. This divided by sign will get converted into 2 dots, or it is called is2, and denominator will come here. So this is called ratio. Now you have to convert, suppose the fraction fraction is given 2:5, 2 by 5 या 2:5, कैसा भी बोलो आप. तो आपको इसको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो हाउ यू विल डू? नाउ इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 100, राइट? नाउ 1 by 100 is equal to 1%. So this 2 by 5 into 100, now 1 by 100 is getting converted into percentage. So I will cut it and my answer will be 40%. So if you want to, in short, if you want to convert any fraction into percentage, write down the fraction, multiply with 100 and give this percentage sign. So in this way you can convert fraction to percentage. Now convert ratio into percentage. It is the same as it is. Suppose it is 3:25. तो मुझे इसको कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इस टू तो सेम है, न्यूमरेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर. तो मैं क्या करूंगी, इनटू 100%, 4 और ये आ जाएगा 12%. सो फ्रैक्शन और रेशियो, नो मोर, नथिंग more difference is there between these two. Right? Now I want to convert a percent in ratio. Now if it is given 5%, percent means always divided by 100. So it is 5 by 100. I will reduce it, it becomes 1 by 20. Same thing if you want to convert in ratio, it becomes 1:20. Right? Suppose it is 25%. Percent means divide by 100. 1 by 4. So if I want to convert in ratio, it becomes 1:4. So everything you have learned in class 7th. Now let us go to exercise 8.1. Find the ratio of the following. A, speed of the cycle 15 km per hour, to the speed of the scooter 30 km per hour. So that is speed of cycle divided, 2 means divided, to speed of scooter. Whenever you are finding the ratio, you have to keep one thing in mind, both unit must be same. अभी यहाँ पर भी किलोमीटर पर आवर है और यहाँ पर भी किलोमीटर पर आवर है, तो दोनों के यूनिट सेम होने चाहिए, आपको ध्यान रखना है. So it is 15/30. If I cut it, it is 1/2. It is 1:2. Right? So ratio is 1:2. Now again 5 meter 2 मतलब डिवाइडेड बाय 10 किलोमीटर. अभी एक मीटर है, दूसरा किलोमीटर है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, किलोमीटर को मीटर में चेंज करेंगे. सो 10 किलोमीटर इज 10,000 मीटर. सो दैट इज 5/1000. So it is 1/2000 and that is 1:2000. Right? तो आप जब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर ले रहे हो, यूनिट ऑफ बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट बी सेम. अभी ये पैसा है और ये रुपीस है, तो 1 रुपीज इज 100 पैसे. तो 5 रुपीज मतलब कितना होगा, 500 पैसे. सो दैट इज 50/500. So it is 1/10 and that is 1:10. Right? Now convert the ratios into percentage. Just now we have seen. Ratio है तो कुछ नहीं, 3/4. आपको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इनटू 100%. ये कैसे आया हमने देखा अभी. नाउ 4 125 25 इंटू 3 आ जाएगा 75%. नाउ 2:3 मतलब 2/3 इंटू 100. सो 200/3, तो ये आएगा 6 3 18. So 66.6%. So in this way you have to convert ratio, you have to find the ratio and convert the ratio into percentage. Question 3. 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? So what are the total number of students? 72% of students of 25. So total students is equal to 25. Now number of students interested in mathematics. So that is 72% of 25. Now this of operator you have learned in class 7. So percent means divide by 100. Of means multiply 25. Right? So 25 1/4s are and this is 18. So number of students interested in maths is 18. But you have to find who are not interested in maths. So how you will do, 25 minus 18. So number of students not interested in maths that is equal to 25 minus 18 equal to 7. So you have to write the final statement. The number of students who are not interested in maths are 7. Now question 4. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So you know the number of matches they have won. So number of matches won is equal to 10. Then you also know the percentage. Winning percentage, that also you know. How much it is? 40. But the total matches what they have played, that you don't know. So let take it as X. So let the number of matches, total number of matches played be X. Now you have to find the percentage. How you will find? Winning matches, that is 10, divided by what are the total matches, that is X, into 100 is equal to 40. This is how you are finding the percentage. जितना win किया divided by total into 100 is equal to 40. अगर आप 40 by 100 भी लिखते हो तो भी चलेगा. अब मुझे x निकालना है. So this is 10,000 divided by x is equal to 40. So x is 1000 divided by 40. So it is 25. So how many matches did they play in all? That is 25. Right? So you have to write the final statement. Number of matches played, total number of matches played is 25. Now going to question 5. If Chameli has rupees 600 left after spending 75% off means you have to multiply it, of her money, how much did she has in the beginning? तो 75% उसने खर्च किया है और बचा कितना है खर्च करने के बाद? 600. So again I will take, let the money she had in the beginning be X. Spent money कितना है? Spent money, that is 75% of total money उसने spend किया. तो 75% of मतलब percent मतलब divide by 100, of मतलब into x. Money left कितना है? वो है ₹600. अब मुझे इक्वेशन बनाना है तो मैं कैसा बनाऊंगी? x मतलब टोटल मनी जो उसके पास था माइनस 75% ऑफ x is equal to 600. So here I will write is equal to 600. So 100x minus 75x equal to 600. This is 25. So x is ₹2400. ये मैंने पूरा सॉल्व कर दिया. आप इसको 0.75x भी ले सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. You will get 0.25. It is one and the same thing. So x minus जो मनी था माइनस स्पेंड कितना किया? 75% of x और बचा कितना? 600. So this is the equation, you got it. solve and find the value of x. So it is 100x minus 75x divided by 100 equal to 600, and you get as 2400. Final statement you have to write. Money she had in the beginning is rupees 2400. Now 6-1. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and remaining like other games, then what percentage of people like other games? If the total number is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. Now you only the data is given in the form of percentage. You have to find the number. So percentage of people who like cricket. So that is 60%. Now percentage of people who like football. So that is 30%. Now percentage of people who like other games. What that will be what? Who like other games? So कैसे निकालोगे आप? That will be 100 minus 60 plus 30. So 100 में से आप 60 plus 30 minus करोगे तो आपको like other games का मिल जाएगा. So that is 10%. अब मुझे सारा परसेंटेज मिल गया. Now you know that you want to, अब मुझे नंबर निकालने हैं. ये मुझे पता है 60%, 30%, 10%. तो ये फर्स्ट पार्ट इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ you know the total number of people. How much are total number of people? It is given as 50 lakh. तो अभी number of people who like cricket. So number of people who like cricket कितना परसेंटेज है? 60. So 60% of 50 lakh, right? So this will be 60 by 100 into 50 lakh मतलब 1 2 3 4 5. तो ये आ जाएगा 5 6 are 30. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 30 lakhs. ठीक है. अब मुझे निकालना है नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक फुटबॉल. परसेंटेज कितना है? 30. सो 30 by 100 into 50 lakh. तो ये आ जाएगा 15. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. तो ये आ जाएगा 15 lakh. अब मुझे निकालना है परसेंट नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक अदर गेम्स. सो नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक अदर गेम्स. सो दैट इज यू नो परसेंटेज इज 10%. सो 10 by 100 into 50 lakhs. So that is 5 5 50. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ones are 5. तो ये आएगा 5 lakhs. So in this way we have done question number 6. Now in next Zoom class we will be proceeding to question number 2. But before that we have to revise some of the formulas which you have studied in question in class 7. So if you have any doubt, please ask me, comment me. Thank you.